Where are we going, Maddie? Today, Maddie is the special birthday girl and is celebrating at Build-A-Bear. Watch as she gets her $3 Build-A-Bear.
Say hi.
Thank you. And see which accessories she chooses. Plus, her big cousins get $25 to pick out items for their bears. What will they choose? This is a great time to be shopping at Build-A-Bear, as they have all their Halloween accessories, costumes, plus Christmas just came in. Did you know about Build-A-Bear's Pay Your Age program? Read the comments below for more information.
Here it is. Part of the birthday bear collection. Look at Maddie. It says happy birthday.
Take your get off.
Yeah, later we will. When we buy it says happy birthday, we're gonna write Maddie. Maddie, look. Maddie, which heart do you want to put inside your birthday bear? With candles or one with little confetti? Candles?
Every time we shop here, there are new outfits and accessories for the girls to explore. Plus, they are always using their math skills to ensure they are within budget. Today, Maddie is getting a sound box, which is a great way to capture her cute little voice at 3 years old. And it only costs $8 to add on.
Have you say something? Do you want to say happy birthday, Maddie? Here, watch. Look, you can say, you can record your own voice. Okay, let's scan your tag. Scan your tag right here. Your bear tag, this one. This tag, go ahead and scan. You want to scan it? Okay. And now, you're going to say, we're going to come here. You're going to say, happy birthday, Maddie. In here, okay? Ready? Wait. And
Happy birthday, Maddie.
let's see. Here, let's
Happy
see.
birthday, Maddie.
Do you like that?
Happy birthday, Maddie.
No, that's perfect.
Right.
Because I added these together and they equal 27. This is $19 and this is $8.
Good job with your math. That one?
Probably the same.
$12.50.
This yellow covers yellow.
Oh, you do like yellow.
I don't need the ones, but I like the ones.
Where'd you find Macy? Ooh. Aw, cute pajamas.
Let's see if I can find Rainbow's April. I forgot her original name, so she's now April. I'm not gonna lie. Because I mean, she has to have options at
Now let's shop. These glasses are too adorable. I love the themed outfits. We have a Halloween suit. E.T. is even here right now. The Nightmare Before Christmas. Coco. Even a little Hershey Kiss costume. And for the gamer bears, little controllers and Pokemon attire. This location in the Florida Mall made our birthday girl feel so special. They greeted her and wished her a happy birthday upon entry. And now they are allowing her to step on the pedal to stuff her bear. This little ceremony is always so special.
Step right in the middle, Maddie girl. There you go. We're not listening.
Hold it, baby. Put the heart in your back.
And you're going to rub it on your chest if they're always near your heart. And now close your eyes, make a big birthday wish. Alright, now give your heart a big kiss. There you go. Alright, now go put the heart inside. Alright, then this barcode tag right here, I'm going to rip off another.
Don't forget to name your bear and print out a birth certificate.
Okay. What do you want to name your bear? What? Birthday? Birthday bear? Alright. Birthday. Type I. Here, press this.
Now it's time to check out. And we'll be using our gift cards we purchased from our last visit in New York City. If you like this video, check out Macy's birthday trip, where we went shopping at Build-A-Bear in New York City at 2 different stores. All right, show me what you got. Yay! For more fun family shopping trips, Check out the links below where we also shop at American Girl. And don't forget to like and subscribe to
Bye.